Morning and welcome back. Let's go. 9 o'clock. So we see South Africa rising here. Let's take along here at 22, plus 22, 0.22% on the day. Let's move the stop forward as the price continues up, or control our downside risk. So we see we're still breaking into this area. We never know, of course, but as it seems. So we're looking at where we are. 3 hours. We're gonna hit yesterday's level. Probably we have a little bit more to it, right? And potentially could break above as well. So let's see. Germany is in the red, which can affect the South African trade. Germany broke above here. And so far, yeah, maybe wrong. Name on the video. Let's see. So Japan, at least all-time high, above 50,000 here. So we'll see what happens in South Africa. Maybe we'll start the day with a loss, who knows? Let's make it small then. Yeah, so we're at the entry level. So South Africa is not in the mood for trading today. So we should probably jump out here because Germany is moving more and Germany is moving down. Let's see what's going on. What's going on and how deep will it go? So Germany will probably continue down here. So we have to jump out of South Africa. So we'll take the loss here at 0.03%, jump out at 0.19. Let's jump on the breakdown in Germany. So plus 0.02%. We got a loss back there. And there we're in the profit. Leverage 20 in Germany. We think this is a resistance area. Always be careful. What do we see on the higher time frames? Moving the stop forward now, perhaps. Let's see. Do we have one more push? So this is very risky. So I would move the stop forward here and be very satisfied with 0.41, and then I can take 0.40 as well. So I move the stop forward to 0.40. It's a little bit more to it, but I don't want to see a reaction. 0.41% on the day, continue down there. So let's see how much we have left in this one. So I'm stopped out there. Moving the stop forward to 41, so stopped out at there. Could jump in again. So plus 0.06 on the trade. So let's see here. It looks like it's going to continue down a little bit. So let's take some risk. Jump in. Stop at 0.39. So not more than that. Then we're going to give back almost all of today's gains. Yeah, giving it back. A little bit unnecessary, but it's better maybe to have a position during these minutes. So we can definitely be in for a reversal. Who knows? Who knows? So maybe an unnecessary trade there, but yeah. So we were up 0.03% down, 0.06, gave back 0.02, 0.01 left. Do I dare to get 0.02 back? So let's jump in and try a short from here, 0.39%. Hoping we will see 41 at least again. So I could have given it some room. Yeah, I'm out. Let's try a long from 39 this time. We see a little bit of a reaction up again. We'll hit 37 again. So minus 0.01% on the day. So I'm a bit careful here. I'm not going to overtrade. Do too many trades now when I have no idea where price is going. So I'll yeah, let's see. So now it seems like it's going down. So I think this will continue down, so that's the problem. So I'm out and I'm short. So minus 0.03% on the day. Yeah. That happens. As I said, this is not optimal trading, but I thought it was better than doing nothing, but I should have been doing nothing. So let's so 0.03% leverage 20 to 1 is yeah, let's see here now. We can get some back of those 0.03% we are down. So there we go. I have no control. That's what disturbs me. So when the price touches the line here, we move the stop forward and we're out. So 46 from portfolio perspective. I would like to take 46, but I know how Germany behaves. So I think this one can continue down below 46. So we're up 0.01%. Move the stop forward to 43, 0.43%. You can always go back in later. $44, $43. We have 42. Okay, so I'm short. I'm sticking with it. So I took a profit of 0.2% and 0.02%, and I'm short from 0.44. Let's see what happens. And that's why, so I've sort of made this mistake last week a few times. I see that the price is close to my line. I don't know if the line is perfect, of course, but we are pretty close and it looks. So let's have a look here how far up this one rebounds. Yeah. So far, textbook trading, how not to make money. Yeah, should I? Let's see what my opportunities are if I lose money in this trade. So 44. So I'll jump out there at 40. I don't want a huge loss. Let's take a long here for one push from 40 up. Or did we see that push? I'm out again at 4. Moving the stop forward. I'm out. Do you want to go up or not? Okay, so let's try a short. I think we are going down. One more time, we're going to have one push to the line. I think we're following the same pattern so far. Still have many minutes left, 19. But of course, price can reverse at any point. So let's protect our result there. And even though we see that the trend is going our way, we don't want to give back anymore. So we have from 0.40, we have 2, or what was I short from 41? So 0.01 at least. Did we have 43? So we're short here, waiting for the break. Again then. We move the stop forward if we can here, 0.02%. Okay, we cannot move it forward, but we're not taking risk that would happen, so we're stopped out. So I thought we could move it forward a bit. So we gain back 0.01, so we're down 0. Yeah. Let's follow this one. So we're down 0.05. So respect your lines is the lesson. Why take risk when you don't have to? So let's be patient. It's 21 minutes. We are how many minutes into the session? 6 minutes into this, 15 minutes into this session. We don't have to lose all the money in the first minute. Okay, so now we're coming down again. Let's see how our friend South Africa was doing. Even though Germany went down, you still peaked up as I thought you would. Okay. Yeah. So a bit slow here in Japan. No help from Japan. So let's have a look at commodities. What's going on? Oil, natural gas. Palladium looks good here. Platinum looks good here. Big changes here on the day. Everything is in the red. A lesson in correlations. Different commodities, but everything is in the red. That's what doesn't make it as fun as before to trade commodities because it's so correlated. Has nothing to do with platinum, palladium, silver, gold, or oil, or anything fundamental, as you can see. So let's have a look here in nat gas. So everything is slowing down. Nothing is moving. Is there a reason? Who knows? Who knows? So what do we say about stocks? Let's have a look here at Germany. Do you have any stocks? That's cool. Yeah, do we have a big mover here? So they are having problems in SUS, Microtech. So are your problems going to continue or what's happening? Or did the market overreact? No, I should not be moving. Don't help Sebastian out here. Such a dead stock market. Let's see what's happening here. Storytel, a little bit of apps trading. Okay. Let's do a statistical bet maybe that we will have one more push. If it went up in that line, no. I should not be allowed to make those bets then maybe, no. What a shitty graph. Okay, so let's trade that line. So Germany pushed down below the line when I wasn't looking. Let's try a long, I would say, Germany. So yeah, I don't mean that I want to go long. I'm waiting for what's happening here. And as I said, it could definitely continue down, but yeah. So let's see what's happening in oil. Oil is standing still. No, now it's on the move. So crude oil. False breakout, or looks like that. So let's try a long in oil then. And that will have one more push up. Protect our day. Protect my losses. So moving the stock forward. Stopped out. So stopped out at, let's say, 166. 0.04 less leverage 10 in futures, in commodity futures, versus 10. So we count that as a 0.02% price movement then, to compare to Germany, 0.4 in oil there. And yeah, let's try a short in oil. Yeah, 75 we're getting, or call it 76 then. So let's try a short here in oil that we're going to continue down more. Move the stop forward to our end back up. Yeah, I didn't have time to say it, but so what I mean is that when we see 79 there and it's moving quite slow and we can collect another 0.04%, I mean, move the stop forward. So we got what we wanted out of it. I didn't say it. So yeah, I don't know. Let's try a short from 70. See some volatility. Move the stop forward to 72. Stopped out. Try the same one again. See if we're coming down again. It's a bit of volatility. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. This is a bit different. Move the stop forward now. 85. Move the stop forward. 87. Stopped out. Stopped out at 87. From 70. Let's see if it pushes down. Let's try to jump in on a short here from 86, 87. 86. Give it a little bit of room. So from 70 to 87. Okay, so let's not give back too much. Yeah, great. From 86, 87. I'll take it at 198 there. Up forward. Stopped out at 96. Another 9. Let's try short again here from 87. A push down. Not as good trade as the past one. Move the stop forward, of course, to 95. 97. Stopped out from 88. Let's get in on short. 98. Push the stop forward to 202. I don't have to join that right down. It can reverse. So I'm taking another 0.4 out. Okay, let's try one short here from 93. I think we're going to push lower. Great. I'll take my 2 here. So move the stop forward to a 1, 2, 2. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, let's try a short here from 202 then. I'm not giving back anything more than 99. Not 99, not C99. risking 0.03%. So 87 to, so first 70 to 87, 87 to 96, 87 to 98 again. So I'll give this a few minutes, see if the price continues down here now. Seems like it's continuing. Looking for a resistance on a larger chart. Definitely taking 14 from 202 there. I'm very satisfied. So another 0.12%. Okay, let's try a short from 14, tight stop, 12 out. So I gave back to 10. Yeah. So okay, let's try a short from 15. Let's jump in. It seems like it's moving down more. Yeah, we have enormous profits, so let's take 22. I don't care how much more. Down it will go. So another 7. Yeah, so there we have 22 if someone would doubt that we were stopped out at 22 before. So another 7. Let's try one last. Same trade, short from 21. Tight stop. Anything less than 19. Must continue. Yeah, in it, still in it. Not gonna get out there on this push. Damn, should have said I'll move the stop forward. Didn't say anything. Damn. Yeah, stopped out. Damn. 0.03 in the wrong direction there. And it was the right call to be cool at 19. We got to push to 27, 25. Damn, I cannot speak and trade at the same time sometimes. Otherwise, I would have locked in another 0.06 at minus 2.25. Okay, let's see here. A reaction on the big price movement. So, I gave back another 0.3. 24 to 22, 12. I gave back 210. So 17, 0 plus 17. 0 plus 17. And then another 10 to 86 to 96. And then so 17 plus 87 to 96 plus 9 is 28, 0.28. Back 0.86 to 98, 97 there, 37, 28, 38 at least, 0.38. And then from 93 I was short to 2000 to 2. It's 7 at least. So 45, and then from 2.2 to 14, 55 minus 2, 0.53%. And then from 14 to 24, another 0.9, 0.62%. And then I I lost 0.2 and 0.03, but I had one gain more, right? I had one pushback more. So I think around 0.63 there still. So leverage 10, that's 6.3%. So I had 0.04 down, let's say. So that's almost 1%. Leverage 20 is 0.8%. So 6.3% minus 0. Okay, so let's be short here from 28. Let's see, we have a push down here. Continue down. Yeah, so I don't know where to put the stop there really. So yeah, where would I put that stop? Maybe at 0.24. Yeah, hard to say. I wouldn't accept this at least. So I always use a stop, but I don't always remember to say that I use a stop. So let's try a long here, and I use a stop of 0.02. Long from 202. Out at 2.04. So giving back 63.59 there at least. So 5.9%. And then it was minus 0.8%, so plus 5%, 5.1. So let's see if we have one more push up in oil. We have a good short here maybe. Coming in. Yeah, 97. So not stop, as I'm moving my stop forward this time. I don't want to lose any money on this one. So 202, 203, so I'm out. Yeah. Bad timing. Okay, so let's try a short and see if it continues there. 91, 92. Move the stop forward and take 88 if we get it. No, don't lose any money on this trade-off at least. So we can still be short. Or, I mean, we can still be long here from 95. So we jumped out, so we moved the stop forward to 95 again. We're not losing any money. Do the same thing again, 94. We move the stop forward. Oh, lost 0.01. Okay, let's try I want to see a reaction to this comeback in the price up. So let's try a short from 96. I'm stopped out at 94. Okay, let's from 90. Direction here now. Forward to 87. I think we're not going to have that. Yeah, so we can have one. So let's try another long here at 92. See if we have one pushing up again. So we locked in 0.03%, so 5.13. I'm not taking any loss, so I'm moving my stop forward to my entry, stopped out. You see why? So let's try a short here from 2. Moving the stop forward. Can risk 0.01, 1.99 there. Not taking 92. 98, I mean. Stopped out, but let's try a short again here because I think this 97. Give it a little bit of room then. to see if we have a reaction down. So let's sacrifice, nothing more than 90. That moved fast, so I was about to say 94, but I would be in again, short. So price touched 93, so I would be stopped out there. I am stopped out. Unnecessary. So let's chill a little bit, up 5%, 508. So we're done what we should in this session as well. Germany, South Storytel is up 2%. We made more in oil. So let's see if we have a reaction down here eventually in oil, and it continues down again maybe. Let's go to the 10 second. Okay, let's try a short from here, from the line. So 86, so 85 was when I wanted to go short. So I'm a bit slow to say it, but you see price touch my line there, moving of course to stop forward, not taking any loss here. So yeah, can't count that. Could have counted it, but should have. Let's the same one again, 86, moving the stop to 82 this time, locking in that profit, trading the same way as before. We're not going to give away money now because we made a lot. Yeah, so I'll take the 0.02. I'm short here from 92 if I can. Yeah, 92. Moving the stop forward to my entry. We probably get stopped out. Not stopped out, I'm stopped out. Are you gonna fall or what are you gonna do? Let's try a short from 93. I'm waiting for a price back down here. Yeah. Feel free to. So let's try to move the stop forward. 97, 98, 99. Good reaction. Let's be short again from 96. Give it a little bit of room. Yeah. I think this will break. Okay, let's take it. Move the stop forward. 2004, 2.04. So another 0.10%. No, 0.08%. So in total, at least 0.10 there. 97, we had 3 as well. 0.11. So good choice to move the stop forward. So I don't trust this one. This can come back up again. Yeah. So we'll see if we touched any type of resistance area here. So did I miss something? Yeah, maybe I did, which I still can't see. Let's try a short from 96. Give it a bit of room there to 93. Yeah. I want to see a reaction down. Okay, let's move the stop forward to 95, not risky anymore. I'm out, giving back 0.1, so plus 0.11 at least from 13 there. So we were at 5.08 to 5.018, so 5.15 at least. Yeah, so this looks like it's going up. Then on this pattern, based on this pattern, I don't trust the pattern, but let's see. Yeah. So let's try a long. I'm too slow at 94, long from 92. Yeah, move the stuff forward. Unlock 0.03. We'll go at an expensive coffee break. So let's share the live stream. So let's see here how. So Tjena. Jo, jag såg det hade ringt. Jag sitter och lajvar. Jag kom på att jag lajvar. Jag tänkte inte på när jag ringde upp. Ska vi höra senare eller? Okej. Hur ser din dag ut då? Ja, okej. Ja, okej. Men jag ringer om en halvtimme. Okej, hej. Tja. So we're gonna see some action. So what's happening here? 86,200. We'll try to make 1%. We don't want to give back 1%. So we saw a reaction, so maybe short oil here. So we can see, move the stop forward, lock in, stopped out. So no loss there. A little bit too much of a coward. Yeah. So maybe not. Who knows? Who knows? So Europe has slowed down. So we missed 0.5% here in Storytel. Okay, markets are slow. Finish for the day. Thank you.